Hello children, today our topic is concept of fractions. Okay, so before going to the concept of fractions, I would like to tell you equal parts and unequal parts. Okay, suppose if I take a block, I make into pieces. Okay, so both are equal. See, how was the picture? Both are equal. So we call it as equal parts. Okay. Now see children. Suppose if I cut into two parts, is this equal part? No. See here, this is more and this is less. So these are unequal parts. Okay, unequal parts. So children, these parts are not equal. So unequal parts, and these are equal. See, equal. So equal parts. Okay. Now what is a fraction? The part or a piece of a whole is called a fraction. Now, I will tell with picture, okay? See, these are equal parts, okay? And if you want to tell about any part, so see, this is a part of the fraction. The part or a piece of a whole thing. This is whole. Whole means what, Nana? Complete. Full object. Okay? And this is a part in this whole thing. Okay? So what is the definition of fraction? A part or piece of a whole thing is called a fraction. Okay, children? Now first of all I would like to introduce half. 1/2 of a whole. Whole means complete thing, a full thing. Okay? 1/2. Half means when you make into two pieces, equal pieces, two equal pieces, then each part is called half. H-A-L-F. 1/2. Okay? And the fraction of this 1/2, 1/2. Okay children? This part value is 1/2. This part value is 1/2. 1/2, 1/2. When you combine these two halves, again it will make a whole thing. See? This is 1/2 and this is 1/2. When you join these two halves, again it will make one whole. Okay, remember this point children. What do we call this? 1/2. How we read this children? 1/2. Okay, 1/2. 1 is the number of parts we are referring to. Number of parts we are referring to. And 2 means total number of parts. How many parts are there? 1, 2. 2 parts. Okay. 1 is, suppose if I want to tell about this part. This is 1 part. Okay. 1 by total number of parts. 2. 1/2. Okay children. If in exams shade half part means what? You have to shade any half. This or this. But not entire thing. Okay. Half part only you have to shade. So what is the value of this? 1/2. What is the shaded part fraction? 1/2. Okay. What is the fraction of unshaded part? Unshaded part also 1/2. Okay children, got it Nana? Now 1/4 of a whole. 1/4 means what Nana? 1/4. 1/4. Suppose there are 4 parts. 4 means what? Total number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. If I want to shade only one part, so what is the value of this shaded part? 1 by 4. Okay. Total how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many number of parts I am referring to? One part. Okay. 1 by 4. So each part value is 1 by 4. So now you can tell me what is the value of unshaded part. Unshaded means which were not shaded. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. What is the value of unshaded part? 3 by total number of parts how many? 4. So 3 by 4. What is the value of shaded part? 1 by 4. Okay children, this is 1/4 of a whole. Now I will tell you 3/4. 3/4 of a whole. Suppose there are 4 parts. 3 by 4 means 3 parts we have to shade. So anyone ask you what is the shaded part? 1, 2, 3. 3 by how many total number of parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts. Okay. And what is the value of shaded part? What is the fraction of shaded part? 1, 2, 3. 3 by 4. And what is the fraction of unshaded part? Only 1. Okay. This is not shaded, right? Unshaded. 1 by 4. Total how many? 4. So unshaded is 1 by 4. What is the fraction of shaded part? 1, 2, 3. 3 by total number of parts? 4. 3 by 4. Okay children? This is the concept of fractions. So you can do more and more sums in the exercise. Then your doubts will be clear. Okay? So practice well dear. Bye bye.